Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your card to the App Store. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your name, which is usually at the very top of the screen. Next, you'll see an option for payment and shipping. Tap on this to manage your payment methods. This is the crucial first step to ensure your App Store purchases are seamless and secure. Once you're in the payment and shipping section, you'll see an option to add payment method. Tap this to introduce a new card. You'll then select credit/debit card from the available options. Carefully enter your 16-digit card number, the 2-digit expiration month and year, and the 3 or 4-digit security code from the back of your card. Double-check all details for accuracy. After entering your card details, you'll need to provide your billing address. It's very important that this address exactly matches the one associated with your credit or debit card. This helps prevent any payment issues or declines. Fill in all required fields, including street, city, state, and zip code. Once everything is entered correctly, tap Done or Verify to save your new payment method. Congratulations! Your new card should now be successfully connected and visible in your list of payment methods. It will automatically be used for any future App Store purchases, subscriptions, or in-app content. You can always return to the payment and shipping section to manage your payment order, add more cards, or remove existing ones. Enjoy your seamless App Store experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.